Good morning, friends. Welcome back to the channel. It is Angela, the Traveling Crafter, and as promised, I am back for another installment of I Bought an Entire Craft Room. And in this episode, I had mentioned, well, in this episode, we are going to go through 5 of these Echo Park boxes, which are very, very heavy. I have not unboxed any of them. To my right, I have 5 of the project boxes. This is what I call project boxes. I don't. Does it say scrapbook case? Well, at least this one does. They're 14 and 5/16 by 14 and an 1/8 by 3 and an 1/8 inch deep. Now, my plan is to recycle these. So we're going to attempt to sort these, depending on what's in them, kind of by theme, I think. And then I'll put them in those boxes or those plastic bins and we'll see what happens. So let's open the first one. This one does not have a date when it was ordered. Oh my. Oh my. Okay, I think I'm going to do this. So there are 2 6x6 paper. Oh my gosh. It's 2 6x6 paper pads. My favorite summer and endless summer. So this one looks like it's kind of all summery. Okay. There is a beach party pad. Oops, there's something underneath there. This one does look like it was, well, I don't know if anything was used out of it, but it was opened. There is the beach party. This all goes together. Beach party ephemera. Beach party ephemera. Beach party adhesive and brads. Okay. So we're just going to call this all summer, I think. There is, this looks like a kit. This is called Endless Summer. So this goes with that. This is Dive into Summer. Very cool. I'm going kind of quick because, you know, we got a lot. The Birthday Boy. Okay, that's just a random one. And then finally, oh my gosh, we just got through one whole pack. We got some Americana. So Birthday Boy does not go with this. One box down, all summerish. Oh my gosh, this one's really heavy. All right. This one is from, let's see, what type of year? This is from what type of year? 2023. Okay, so let's open it up. And I gotta, oh my gosh, Winnie the Pooh. Okay, I've found a lot of Winnie the Pooh. Oh my goodness, this is cute. All right, I'm going to make a pile. Where am I going to do that at? Right here. Oh, I have this one. And I know some of you have wondered. This is practically imperfect. These are the stamps that go with it. Here's another one and another one. This is kind of the, let me see, Mary Poppins-ish kind of kits. Some of you have asked, what are you going to do with all this? Oh, here's more Alice in Wonderland. I already have one of those project boxes full of Alice in Wonderland, and I just sold one at my last sale. So there's 2 of those. Okay, Alice. I guess Alice could go and Mary could go together, kind of themed people. I've got some hot cocoa, warm and cozy. Just, where am I going to put those? We'll put them right here for the time being. Just individual pages. There's a Just Married pack and some brads that go with it. Oh, another one. Okay. I started to say, okay, this looks like she had been, we're going to look at that. Oh, that's going to my friend Denise. Denise, I have found a few other Grinch things, so that's good. So this is just all individual paper. What are you going to do with all this? I am not keeping most of it. So what I think I will do just for my time here while I was at the camper. I will show you what I am keeping in another video. It's not a lot. Well, in comparison to the full van of stuff, it is not much. All right, let's see. Oh, this is all like embossed and debossed paper. Okay, that's why that's in here. We're gonna leave it that way. I'm gonna put it with the loose pages. I have, oh, 2 boxes down. This is coming over the top here. This is a 1 sheet of the stickers and then another Easter. Okay, so that's holiday. I know the 4th of July probably should go with holiday. However, I think it's better in summer. For me, the way my mind thinks. Most all of this will be shared on the lives with all of you. I will be putting one of the things, the reason I was so compelled. Okay, let's open this first. Whoa. Oh, this looks like Christmas. I was so compelled to purchase this is that I like to do bundles, and I think it would be nice to mix antique, vintage ephemera, and maybe a book specifically with that theme to make kind of an entire journal kit. So I think that that's going to help a lot. Okay. This is called Little Princess. I'm going to put that up with the kind of one-offs. And this is called, oh my gosh, First Day of School. There's what's in it. It's still sealed. This is talking my language. Okay. We have A Perfect Christmas. Oh, I have this one too, Botanical Garden. That's the big kit. Can you guys see this? Oh, let me see if I can get. Today is moving day, and so that did not help one bit of the glare. Today is moving day, so everything's kind of put up where it should be. There's pool party, so there's more summer. Christmas. We need a Christmas pile, just in case there's more Christmas. Botanical Gardens. Here's more summer, although these are individual packs. I guess I'm just going to keep this with summer right now. You know, those die cuts are a little bit fragile. Oh, here is the, hang on. We got a straggler there. Here's the I Love School pack. So now, and then this is called First Responder. However, I can't get it out. That looks pretty good with this. So we're going to call this School and put all of that together. And just as suspected, I've run out of room. Okay, let's close this one up. And maybe we make a stack for florals. I don't know. All right. Okay, this isn't taking me nearly as long as I thought. I thought this was going to go. This is a very heavy one. Let's see. This one's not quite as heavy. This one seems like it's going to be the... We'll look at this one first. Okay. Oh, this is interesting. This is different. Yeah, I thought it was going to take me a lot longer. Better Press cotton card panels. There are 2 packs of Better Press. This is all by Spellbinder, $16.99. Better Press ink. I've not heard of this before. There's another one. Okay. So this probably needs to go in a different area. We've got the Oh Come Let Us Adore Him. Right now I'm going to keep it all together. Sending Strength. This is just Sentiments. And Halloween. Okay, these don't really, those are one-offs. This looks to be maybe something she put together as a project she was going to work on. By Bo Bunny. What's this? So she's got that. Oh, this one, I sold some of these at the last sale too. So this might be something I might want to and she's already got the chipboard journal in there. Oh, it's the whole Enchanted Garden kit. All right, we'll keep that with florals. And then last one in this box. So this one wasn't as much stuff in it. And these are kind of one-offs that need to go somewhere else. Oh, this is circus. I found a whole bunch of circus and carnival stuff. And there's a stamp that goes with this too. Okay. Put you right here. Don't fall over. Okay, last box. So what you can expect is the next video, after I clean this up, I'm going to go get my little tote, organize it, because it has to go into my car. And I hardly brought anything. I brought my clothes bag, my backpack, and a bag that has all my video equipment and stuff that I needed for the sales. But it's like that full that I don't know where I'm going to put it all. Okay, this one is super, super full, and it's very heavy. Okay, here's more poo. More poo paper. We got Christmas. Snowed in. The Magic of Winter. Winter. Okay, so those can all go with... I'm going to keep them with Christmas, even though I know they're just winter ones. We got... Oh, my favorite things. This is the ephemera that goes with Mary Poppins. And florals. Florals. Okay. More Christmas. Christmas Flora. Mary. Christmas Floral. Peaceful. Birthday Salutations. Now, I am working on a birthday journal, although the colors I'm using are more in the pastels. I might keep this one aside for the time being and just decide. Okay. 2 of the ephemera packs that go with the Christmas ones. More poo. Both of these are poo ephemera. Ladies, if you're doing poo, we got a lot. There's more poo. There's more poo. Noah's Ark. Oh, how cute. This would be fun for a faith journal. 2 of those. We've got some buffalo. Oh, these are all, now we're talking. I love, love, love. This is called Dots and Stripes. Ginghams. Summer ginghams. And then this is autumn ginghams. Tartan plaids. Oh my gosh, this would be awesome. I need some more of this. I did some of my own digitals, but this would be awesome to go with my equestrian journal. And that, my friends, is everything that were in those 5 boxes. So now my job is going to be putting them into these little totes. And when we come back for the next episode, I'll show you what I am keeping from my first pass of organizing everything. Excuse me. Until next time, friends, remember to take time to just be. We'll see you soon. Cheers.